Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix this error. An error occurred while authenticating the Rockstar services. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing what you need to do here is to open up your browser, and then you just need to write Rockstar server status and look for Rockstar Games Down by down detector here, and look if there is no issues with the server itself. So currently, as you can see here, there is big spike in reports. So uh, probably the issue with the servers. So what you need to do here is just wait until the servers is fixed. All right. And if there is no reports or minimal reports, then I will show you what you need to do next. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to completely close Rockstar Games and the client where you got the GTA 5 or Red Dead Redemption or other Rockstar game. So in my case, I just need to go to Steam and close all the Steam related tasks here. Then I need to look for the Rockstar, and it should be no Rockstar tasks as well. Rockstar Games Launcher and task, and then here should be no Steam as well. Okay. And once you do so, then you need to just go to Documents. Then you need to go to Rockstar Games. You should see Rockstar Games, and then rename this folder here. So rename it like, I don't know, put one letter or something like that, and then launch the game and look if the problem persists. Do not delete this folder because as you can see here, it has some, if you played some story mode, it has some saves. So if you don't want to delete that, do not do that, okay? So this is the first step. Second step, what you need to do here is to just look for view network connections, then look for your internet connection, right click on it, go to properties, then make sure Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled, and then go to Internet Protocol version 4, and then you just need to write 1.0.0.1 or 8888 with 8.0.8.4.4. And after you do so, then you need to go to CMD, make sure to run as admin. Then you need to put ipconfig here, ipconfig /flush DNS. And our command is nesh winsock reset. And look if the problem persists after restart your computer. If the problem persists, simply you just need to use VPN and look if the problem persists. Currently, I have Privado VPN. I believe it costs a few dollars a month. I can leave the link in the description below so you can buy through me and I get small commission to that. But you just need to log into with the VPN to a different country. And then you just need to go to rockstargames.com, press on this icon here and log into your account. Once you logged into your account, press on this icon again and log out, right? And after that, try the game and look if the problem persists. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.